Okay, so we're back in Jack's for just one day. I came to work out. I have Olaplex on my hair. And yeah, tomorrow we leave for Myrtle Beach. So I'm gonna surprise my mom for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is her birthday, but I'm gonna surprise her for Mother's Day. I'm gonna leave Saturday morning from Myrtle Beach to Fort Lauderdale, which is where they live. And yeah, so I'm packing for the tournament, but then packing for a few days down at my parents' home. So don't need to pack much because I have all my stuff in my room there, but yeah, have to plan a little bit ahead. Today was a chill day. We just did a lot of laundry, organized the house, and yeah, not a lot. And tomorrow we'll drive up. It'll be a long drive, but it was so nice to be at home for a day. Good morning and happy Tuesday. We are driving today to Myrtle Beach. Excuse my face. We just woke up really early. We're getting some gas and then driving. It's like a 5.5-hour drive.
We ready to go. Love road trips. Absolutely love them.
This was your idea.
I know. I'm regretting it now.
This is the view from player dining today, so can't really complain. Okay, so we got here to Myrtle Beach earlier this morning, or in the afternoon. We got here at like 1 p.m. It was like a 5.5-hour ride around-ish from Jacksonville to here, and Nico just played 9 holes. We had lunch at the golf course, and I went to work out in the Planet Fitness that's near the Airbnb. I mean, the only Planet Fitness around. And I'm right now going back to the golf course to pick Nico back up, and I don't know what our plan is for the night. We are staying in an Airbnb again, but I don't know if we're cooking there or if we're eating somewhere around. I don't feel so good today. I don't know, I have like really bad cramps right now. So yeah, that's what we're working with. I think I just messed up. This wasn't the light I was supposed to turn in. Great. Oh no, it is. Good. So yeah. Hey guys, just sitting here at the beach, getting a little bit of sun before I go on a walk. That's gonna be my workout of the day. I still have really bad cramps, so I don't feel like going to the gym. I went yesterday and I felt really bad afterwards. So just gonna sit here for a little bit, then walk, and then go back to the clubhouse to keep on working, which is what I was doing before. So yeah, just enjoying a little bit of the beach. Good morning and happy Thursday. I thought I would share with you what I'm making for breakfast. arepas.
Next on the tee, Many, Colombia, Nico, and Tivaria. Calm out, get your anything halfway.
Okay, so update. We're on hole 14, which is hole 5 of the day. Haven't played so great. We're 2 over through the 4 holes we've played. I'm trying to see where his ball. Okay, good tee shot on 14, good. Missed a short par putt on 12 and went in the water on 13. At least we're looking cute. Let me tell you this. Good morning, friends. Today is Friday. We have tea time in like 5 minutes. I'm just sitting in the car dropping off my computer that I was working in the morning. Recap from yesterday, just not a good day. Felt like the putts weren't going in, and at the end there was a lot of wind, like 25-mile-hour winds. So hard conditions really, and just couldn't make the birdies we needed to, and it was really hard at the end. So today we have to shoot like 6 under to make the cut, which is going to be tough, but not impossible. So hopefully it's a good day. It's kind of gloomy out, but I don't think it's gonna rain in the morning, so have to take advantage of that and go incredibly low. Hey guys, so we finished the round already. That's why my hair's wet. I already took a shower. I'm about to head to the outlet mall, which is nearby our Airbnb, but not the result we were hoping for. It was still a really good day. He shot 4 under. He was actually 5 under through 17 holes and just had to birdie 18, but that didn't happen. He actually bogeyed. But yeah, just kind of a disappointing ending to a really good day. But this is what golf is like, really. It's not Scotty Scheffler's all over. Yeah, like weeks like this suck because you put in like all the preparation and then you miss the cut by 1 or 2 and it just sucks. But the plan is the same for me. I'm still leaving tomorrow to go to Fort Lauderdale, and he's leaving tomorrow, like he's driving back to Jacksonville, and we'll meet up again on Tuesday, which is when Alright, made it back to the Airbnb. Did a little bit of damage, nothing too bad. Now I'm gonna go back and see what Nico wants to do. Maybe he wants to do some mini golf or go to the movies. He is really chill when it comes to missing the cut. Like, he'll just want to continue life as normal. He doesn't dwell on it for too long, so that's good for me. And he's really good about making time for us, so we'll probably do something fun-ish tonight, especially because tomorrow we're going our separate ways, which makes me kind of sad, but it'll be fun once we reunite on Tuesday. Fun fact, Nico and I did long distance for 3 years. My junior, senior, like 2.5 years. So, while I was in college, he was playing his first year as a professional. So, if you're in a long distance relationship, just know that it is possible if you communicate and if you love each other very much. How's this 6-hour ride gonna be without me?
Gonna suck. It's going to suck.
Okay, so I just checked in and I'm waiting to board. I'm like 3 hours earlier than I should be, but Nico wanted to drive during the day back to Jack's, so I'm just gonna sit here. Okay, so I'm editing this video right now while I look for Airbnbs in Paris because that's where the Olympics are this year. Nico is borderline in, doesn't have his place secured. That happens like in a month or so. So we're looking at places to see where we can fit around eight people, with multiple bathrooms and AC, and not that far from the course, like 30 minutes tops. Not that easy. That's a hard task right now, but everything is just booked, no hotels, and we don't want to spend 20 grand on the week, but I found a couple options. Just, it's kind of hard to pull the trigger because we don't know for sure if he's making it, so just kind of difficult. And like, people don't want to commit to a plan that we don't know if it's gonna happen, so we just have to keep playing well. Not.
Attention in the gate area, Miss Christine.
Okay, so I just landed in Fort Lauderdale, and my Uber gets here in a minute. So let's go surprise my mom. Hello. Oh, what? ¡Qué sorpresa! Y detrás te lo tenías guardada. Desde unos días. Say hi to the vlog. Hola. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. No lo sabía.
Como así desde hace unos días. Y papá, el cómplice. Hello guys, and happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. When I'm here in my parents' home, we always go to the beach on Sundays. walk, take like an hour and a half minute walk. And today we went to a new beach because the one we usually go to is super crowded. And we ended up on this pier